Well, hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight. This evening we've had a triple delish meal here in Larnaca. There it is, souvlaki GR. Look out for the video. Right next to Ayia Lazarus Church. Oh, look at this jewellery shop. Beautiful Cyprus style jewellery and ice cream. Right, so we're going to do a little video walking back towards the car, and we're going via the seafront. As I said, this is a side street leading up to the church. There's some beautiful old warehouses along here, guys. This particular row hasn't been refurbished yet, and it's got the original gates. Next door to it is a house that's all boarded up at the moment, and I do believe that's going to be refurbished. Now, Larnaca seafront, or Finikoudes, or palm tree. Sorry? Oh yeah. Yeah, not sure. I think that's a bar. There's lots of little bars and restaurants all tucked in these little roads everywhere. There's a beautiful mosque down there as well, and of course the castle. I'll point that out when we get to the seafront. Now, our previous video was walking along the promenade. This particular video we're going to walk back past the restaurants and the bars on the other side of the road. And I explained before, you've got tons and tons of restaurants and little bars in the back streets. So don't just stick to the main street, guys. Do go in the back streets and look out for more videos. Just some amazing architecture. Of course, at night not so good for exploring, but of course it's good for looking out for some different restaurants, including Lebanese and Syrian. There's quite a lot down this end. So here we are, right at what I call the far end. Oh, let me point out the castle. There it is down there, and the mosque is just behind it. And we're starting off here. Oh, I was going to cross the road, silly Billy. I did say we're going to stick to this side, didn't I? So let's stick to this side. Now, Larnaca seafront, open all year round. Everything is open all year round, including hotels, restaurants, convenience shops and gift shops. Everything is open all year round. The beach. Now, I do believe they take the umbrellas and sunbeds away out of season. Oh, what's that? Love buses. What's a love bus? Oh, wow. Look at that. Brilliant. It's got a little disco on the top as well. Huh. That's a thing. Anyway, where were we? Oh yes, open all year round. So if you want to come to Cyprus, guys, this is a marvellous place to visit. And we've got that lovely black sand. Keeps the water really, really warm. And it's very shallow as well. So really, really warm sea here in Larnaca. Lots of cosmopolitan areas. Lots of good value for money restaurants as well, especially at this end. Alexandra. Look out for the video. There we are. Calamari and chips, €11.90. Of course, there's lots of competition down here as well, see. Keeps the prices a little bit down, doesn't it, guys? Alright. We'll go on to a couple more restaurants. I'll point out a few more. Now we parked at the far end, and I'll show you at the Marina. There's another visit for you. This is a tuck in. Look out for videos, guys. Again, good value for money. Lots of food for your money. They do Chinese, they do everything here, guys. Look at the menu, look at the pictures. Look at that. Right, now, as I said before, what is the time? So 8:15, guys. This, sorry. Oh, the meeting pub right in the corner, guys. Excellent sports. Ideal for your football. Very, very popular with the locals. You've got a big game, that's the place to go. So, which way are we going to walk? We'll go down the other end, guys, or the left-hand side. Right, here we are. It's quite narrow along here. Of course, the restaurants and pubs have got their main building on the left underneath these apartments, and then they've got outbuildings on the right-hand side. So this is the pub, the Irish pub, and that's their outbuilding. The outbuildings are very, very popular. For instance, that's KFC there, and you can see a couple people inside KFC, but if you look out here, there's even more people. So just carry on down and I'll give you a couple more examples. Here we are, TGI Fridays, main restaurant, as you can see on the left hand side. Quite a few people in the main restaurant, the air conditioned, and even more people here on the outside. I'm going to call it a conservatory side, because quite a lot of them are like conservatories, domes, and some interesting outbuildings, and they're like mobile, but they don't move. Have you noticed they're kind of not mobile, some of them? So look at all this choice you're going to get. Look at this. Look at this beautiful, it's called bakery coffee shop, this particular one. Look at the conservatory or outbuilding. Ah, it's the brewery. Oh, silly Billy, that's the brewery. There's McDonald's. They've even got an outbuilding as well. That's their outbuilding there, you see. They've got arches. And of course the main restaurant on the left hand side. There's another restaurant here. Look at this outbuilding. Oh, did we eat here?
Yeah, this is
Vivid, there we are. Look out for the video, guys. Beautiful outbuilding. Some of these conservatories are absolutely amazing. The things they've done. No idea. Chili Changas. Oh yeah, what was that? Oh yeah, and little burgers. What were they?
Mini burgers.
Oh, mini burgers. That's right, it was a platter. So there's another bar restaurant. So how busy it is, guys. Now if you come Christmas, it is absolutely amazing. Look out for videos, guys. Everything's lit up. Lights everywhere, trees, tons and stuff going on. And of course, if you don't want to eat down here, guys, look at all the side streets down there. Sushi bar. Look, that's a sushi bar there. Oh, that's unusual. They're busy inside rather than outside in the sushi bar. Sorry?
Outside. That's a coffee shop.
Ah, that's why, silly Billy, that hasn't got an outside. That's a coffee shop, that was sushi. So there's Starbucks, and that's Starbucks. Now that get busy later on, guys, when people have finished their meal. Burger King, they've got an outbuilding as well. Look at that. It's all very fancy. Now it widens up a little bit here where the arcade is. There we are. So lots going on in the arcade. Oh, look at that ride, it's all lit up. Wow. Now, would you like lights round your Toyota Rumi like that?
No, but I want all removed.
Oh, it moves. Oh. Where are they going? Oh, look, there's loads of them. Oh, there they are, there, look. Oh, they're brilliant.
Oh, look, there's motorbikes.
Oh, motorbikes. There they are, look. Oh, oh. That's right, there's loads and loads of ice skating going on, guys. A massive ice skating rink at the far end. Massive tree. Oh, fairground as well. The fairground comes from Brodera. They take it apart at Brodera out of season and it comes down here for the winter. So you've got the big wheel, we've got everything. There's the Marina coming up on the right, all a bit early for the Marina. Here comes the Intercity bus. And if you do want to come down here, guys, you can pick up the Intercity bus. If you're in Brodera, you'll have to go to Paralimni first, and then you can pick up the Intercity bus there. Last bus is, I do believe, 10 o'clock. This particular one's going to Nicosia. There we are. Look out for the website, guys. You can see the times. They're regular as clockwork. They're always on time. This is the Blue Moon. What's the Blue Moon? It's a, oh, it's a beer, is it? Oh yeah, it's a slow beer. Silly Billy. It's a slow beer. Hans and Gretel. They've got an outbuilding as well. And they've got their little, oh, bubble house. Oh, smell that.
I think that's a tea place. And
That's a tea place. That's Hans and Gretel. That's a traditional Cypriot restaurant. Ocean Basket's coming up, guys. There it is. Don't forget Ocean Basket, guys. Many thanks to Ocean Basket as well. They've often donated vouchers for Ella's Blind Cat Sanctuary and animal welfare in Cyprus. Pizza. Ah, they have got their main branch there. Pizza. There we are. Pizza Mia. Gloria Jeans. Why do they call it Gloria Jeans? Oh yes, her name. Forgot. Yes, her name. The woman who owns it. Anyway, there's Pizza Hut and the outdoor area for Pizza Hut. So it gets wider along here. You can see the road at the back runs parallel. That I call the high street. Lots of shopping going on down there, especially at Christmas. There's the Sun Hall Hotel. That's their entrance here at the end. Oh, that smells nice. I think this is Lebanese or Syrian. I do like Lebanese and Syrian food, guys. Triple delish. Must try that one day. Oh yes, the branch in Limassol is amazing. Look out for videos. What's this place? Buffet. That's a new buffet place, look.
All you can eat for
15 euros, all you can eat. The buffet's out there. Yeah, buffet's out there. Right there it is there. Here we are. That's this place here, look. There's a buffet around there, you see. 15 euros, eat what you like. Good value for money. As I said, there's lots of competition down here, guys. There's a cafe, and you can have Hubble Bubble. Yeah, bubble away on the Hubble Bubble and smoke yourself to sleep. And finally, I'm not sure what this place is. I think it belongs to the Sun Hall Hotel, this veranda here. And we've got a new one has arrived. Papa Philippupupu ice cream.
This is where the 100,000 foot Christmas tree is.
This is their Christmas tree here, and it goes for miles. It's, oh, look out for the video.
100,000 feet.
100,000 million feet.
100,000 million. Exactly.
And then beyond that is the fairground. So let's go round here. There's the fountain. again, open all year round. Should we cross the road? You know, it's like going all year round. You know what I mean, guys? Fountains. There's disabled parking, by the way, here on the main road. But don't come down here, guys, thinking you're going to get parking, because there's no parking down here really. It's always very full up. Your best bet is to not muck about. Is go straight into the marina here for just €3. Sometimes there's free parking right at the other side. Anyway, shall we finish the video here? What a lovely walk. There we are. So we've walked off our meal, haven't we? Yeah,
well, there's some stuff going on in the marina.
Oh yes, now in the marina we've got a trampoline park, snacks, sweets, coffees, all sorts going on in the marina, guys. There's little kiosks as well. So there's so much to do here. Unbelievable. And as I said, open all year round. There's even an open gym.
Hey, and boat trips.
Oh, of course, there's boat trips as well. There we are. There's a kiosk stand far end for your boat trips. So everything going on here, guys. If you want to come out of season, maybe this is your option. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.